there everyone, it's Rachel from Through Night here, and today we're going to make a video for you for a product breakdown of the TN36. So let's get started. When you get your TN36, it comes in this protective box, so you can see our Through Night logo here. On one side you can see a diagram of the product that you're getting, and on the other side you can find our mailing information right there. And you can pause this video if you really want to see that. So let's see what's inside this box. So take the rubber band off, open it up. Woo! All right, and you're greeted with a multilingual thank you card. It says, "Dear customer, many thanks." You can pause this video if you want to read this. But it also comes with, let me put this down, a user manual for how to use this. It includes all of the information and parameters of this light. So as we keep going, here's the big guy. We have our light, and it comes with a holster, which it's really thick. It's really, really protective. But we'll get back to this in a second. Let's keep going through the box. So in the box, you have this protective lining on the inside right here. Yeah. And it also comes with accessories. So the accessories are, you have your lanyard, boom. You have 2 spare O-rings that help with the waterproof features, boom. I hope you can see those. And here's another ring for the lanyard. And you have a spare side switch cap as well, just in case. So that's really, really nice. All right, let's take this light out now. So when you open the holster, this is what it looks like. This is pretty nice. And you have this protective film over the light for more protection. And here it is. Here is the TN36 Black. This is the light. It's very impressive. It's pretty big. This is compared, I have small hands, but you know, compared to my hand, it's, it's a pretty nice light. Obviously it has a good grip right here, and it has the side switch. But this also comes with a battery carrier, and that's found on the inside of the light. So screw off the tail cap. Ooh. Here's the battery carrier, and it holds 4 18650 batteries. Now, let's put this back in. Now I'll tell you, when you buy this light, it comes as is, as I just showed you. It doesn't come with the batteries. And this light is $139.95. That's $139.95 for just this light. But if you want to upgrade to our TN36 bundle kit on our website, throughnight.com, that is $209.95. And it comes with a battery charger, 4 batteries, 18650, and let's see, the MCC4S cord to go with the charger. Yeah, so this is what you would be getting. And it charges more than just 18650 batteries. So you have AA, AAA, C, and 5 others that I can include in the bio of this video to give you more information. Or you can check out more information on our website, throughnight.com. All right, so let's move on to the TN36. This guy has 2 versions. Right now on our website, you'll only see the black version, but upcoming next month, its brother will be released, which is the Desert Tan. What? Look at this. Yes, so we listened and we got many, many recommendations to bring out a Desert Tan version of more lights. And we've answered your calls. So here we go. So stay tuned on our Facebook page to get more information on when this guy will be released. All right, so let's move on to the parameters of this light. This TN36 has 5 modes. 5 modes! It is strobe, firefly, infinity low, infinity high, and turbo. And it's up to 11,000 lumens. What? Yeah, 11,000. So this is a very powerful light. So please don't shine it in your eyes, because it might blind you. All right, it can last 28 days on firefly mode. It has a max beam distance of 353 meters and an IPX8 standard for waterproof. Yeah, the Through Night TN36 has an upgraded and limited version of the TN36 2017 with triple second generation of Cree XHP70 LEDs. So this is a very impressive light, and you really don't want to miss out on this. All right, well, that's all I have for you today. So make sure that you like this video, share it if you want. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this on a regular basis. And join our Facebook group for more information, exclusive deals, and weekly giveaways. All right, thanks for joining us. As always, I'm Rachel from Through Night, and I'll see you later.